Hey guys, this is Martin again. Today I want to show you a classic vulnerability, security through obscurity. So effectively this is when developers try to hide sensitive information but do it wrong. So from an hacker's perspective, it can be easily uncovered. So if you look at our restaurant website, you have the option here to book something, right? Like, so you can probably order a table or something like this. And then let me just put in some data here. MV, my email is test@test.com. And I want to reserve a table for the, I don't know, the 12th or like 12/12/2023. Okay, so I reserve a booking. And then it says like your booking has been received and you will be notified via email if accepted. Okay, so fine. I get my order ID here as well. And let's just take a look how this looks like in Burp. So what happened in Burp is first and foremost, I see another battle of the hackers equals no. So what would happen if I set this to yes, right? Like, but this is another vulnerability. I'm not going into that today. So I made the post request and then I got the confirmed order back. And what immediately stands out when I see this confirmed order here is that there's an order ID, right? And the order ID seems kind of cryptic. So let's send this to repeater, and it seems to be encrypted, right? But if I do a mouse over here and mark this, you will see it's actually just base64 encoded. So it's effectively the number 42,069. Okay, so which is my order, which I've just done, and then if I would render this here, this is my booking, right? The MV test, what I've just done right now. So what I can do is let me mark this again, and now I'm going to change it. This is a neat little feature in Burp, so you don't have to use like an external base64 encoder or decoder. You can simply do this on the fly. So if this is 69, like let's say what happened at 68, right? Like this is an IDOR as well. Apply changes, and then you see my base64 payload has changed. I hit send, I render this, and then all of a sudden I get the booking information from someone else, from that person here with that email address. So that results in a PII leakage. And that's simply down to the fact, first of all, that it's an IDOR. It's not checking the authorization privileges of me as a user with that specific cookie, so I can retrieve other people's information. It's not as straightforward as the previous IDORs we have seen because it's base64 encoded, but you can see easily that you can get around this by simply changing the value and then effectively re-encode it and send it on, right? Like this is a classical example of security through obscurity that the developers thought it's sufficient enough to base64 encode the value, which it's clearly not, because anyone can decode this and then modify it and resend it on. I hope this makes sense, and I look forward to seeing you in one of the next videos.